reacting to
The seas are going to be rough, mateys. The stream be starting.
What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How you guys been? Let's take a look here at the markets today. Talk about crypto. And see if we can get some to do some copy trades too, right? How you guys been? What's up, Doge dude, Benny? Hey fam, Germany in the house. What's up, Benny? How you been, bro? Germany in the house right here. Michael Hull is also in the live stream. Lulu, Jesus is King said, is the wealth transfer this month? No one knows when it will be, only God. Happy New Year, brother. Thank you so much, AN. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you, AN, and all of you guys there. I think this is the first time I stream after the New Year? Yeah, it is. This is the first time that I stream after the New Year. So happy New Year to all of you guys. Happy 2023. I think it's going to be a massive year. If you guys still haven't yet, watch my prediction video. If you guys still haven't watched my 2023 crypto market Bitcoin prediction using technical analysis, definitely go watch it. Comment, like, all the likes, the comments, they all help a lot. So after the live stream, when you guys got time, or even when you guys just have time, you guys can watch it. It's my latest video, 2023 crypto prediction. But I share some technical analysis in that video. I go deep into it. But yeah, it's gonna be a big year. So far, crypto has just been flat in my opinion. I mean, yeah, it's been pumping a little bit, right? But not, if we were around 17,500 range, I would say we had a nice pump to the new year, start to the new year. But we're still below 17,000, right? That's the truth. Bitcoin's still below 17K, 16,833. So as you guys can see right here, it's kind of like a cup right here, right? You might have a cup and handle. Take a look at this today. What's up, T Money? How you been, bro? T Money's also here. Some big things coming for SHIB. I got a feeling Shibarium is gonna be coming out this month in January, and man, when it does, SHIB, Bone as well, it's gonna explode in my opinion. I think it's gonna be a huge catalyst for both SHIB and Bone, right? All right, perfect. Doing fine, thanks. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Yesterday was the most that I've worked in my job ever, guys. And I was gonna live stream yesterday, but I didn't because this is what happened. So it's the day after a holiday, so mail is gonna be like double, plus packages and all that. So, we go to work early at 6. Usually it's like 8:30, so you went in at 6, and I was one that went in at 6 because, rather go in early, get most of it done, and try to be done, later. So we went in at 6, and it was so much. But the worst part is that somebody called out, so we had to do part of her route, and then I was one of the lucky ones to get the part of the route. So I didn't just have to do my route, but also 1 hour from this other route. But it was just so much mail, like you guys wouldn't even believe it. It was so much. And I literally worked from 6 to 6:30 p.m. So 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. And I think that was probably the longest time that I worked at like in one day. I mean, like in one day, the longest time in one day. Because usually we go in at 8:30. And sometimes, if it's a bad day, we get out at 6:30 or 6. But man, that day I went early and I got out really late. So Bone had a great day. But yeah, Bone had a great day. It definitely had a great day. And I'm telling you, man, Bone's not even listed on big exchanges, right? It's not on Coinbase or these other exchanges. And, pretty soon it will. Alright, guys, I'm going to be doing a double live stream here. Also on TikTok. Obviously, I'm going to be focusing more in the YouTube chat. But every time I've been live streaming, I've been doing both double live stream on TikTok and YouTube. If you guys were here last time, I got banned from TikTok. Yeah, if you guys remember, if you guys were here from last stream, I was banned from TikTok. Literally, it said from bullying and harassment. That's what it said. And everybody in the live stream, it was just a regular live stream. I didn't say anything bad about anybody or anything. It was just, I think TikTok has like bots that bans like automatically based on whatever. So I didn't even I could have what's it called? Gone against it. Like I could have put it like a thing to go against it, but I didn't even do that because the deadline was January 2nd, so I just let it go. But let's see if you don't get kicked today from TikTok. So is on. Yeah, Solana has been on fire, right? Solana's been on fire. I'm lucky I have a little bit. But I didn't buy it like yesterday. I bought like a week ago. But yeah, let's go on TikTok. I'm about to go live on TikTok as well. If you guys still haven't yet, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I'm active on all those platforms. But yeah. Alright, we're live on TikTok as well. If If you guys are on TikTok, follow me on YouTube. If you guys are on YouTube, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. But we're going to take a look here. I'm going to give you guys my impressions here on the markets. A lot of people are expecting a suckers rally, right? I watch a lot of technical analysis videos from different types of channels because I'm really open-minded to different types of trading, and I like to see and hear what people say in their type of style, trading style. And a lot of people right now are thinking that we're gonna have a suckers rally, like a nice rally up, right? Which I wouldn't be surprised because we're due for a pump. We haven't had a pump in a while. Last time was over here, right? Where we went from, well, actually right here when we went from 15,000, where we made that new bottom. Well, not really. The bottom was over there. But right here we went from 16,000 to 17,000, but got rejected at 17. So, yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We're at a critical range right here. And what needs to happen is Bitcoin needs to break out of this range that it's in, as you can see, to the upside, right? That's what needs to happen ultimately. We'll check here on the daily. This is a log there. Matthew Kenny said Solana's on fire. I am up 50-ish. You're up 50-ish. Did you make a trade on Solana, or did you just buy Solana? Michael Ho said the bots that were here to save us and our family. LOL. Yeah, man, it's crazy. It's crazy how you can easily get banned, right? And a lot of it are probably like bots, like auto bots that be auto banning. Can Solana go back up to 200 per SOL? Man, it's hard to tell because it's gonna depend on the Solana project, right? Is it gonna be one that survives? If it survives, right? If Solana survives this bear market, then yeah, probably even higher. But if it fails, right? If it doesn't do what it's meant to do, and it doesn't develop well, then it's probably not gonna go back to those price points. But I still have a little bit of Solana. Matthew said trading. Okay, trading. Were you leverage trading or just spot trading? Thank you guys there on TikTok. You guys are hearing me there at TikTok. Follow me on YouTube as well for videos, technical analysis videos and all that. But we'll take a look here at Bitcoin. I actually want to see this chart. This chart's much cleaner. You can see on the daily we're climbing up. The momentum is going up on the daily, right? Even though we haven't moved yet. This could be a little delayed here before we start pumping, right? So I see a lot of signs of us coming up here above 17K, right? Maybe even 18K. We'll see. So many black swans on the way. Yes. Michael Hole just said so many black swans on the way. There really is, man. And that's part of my prediction in my video. My latest video that I made is my prediction for 2023 is going to be that it's going to be 2023 is going to be the 2020 and 2024 is going to be 2021. And what I mean by that is that 2020 we had a black swan event, right, where Bitcoin capitulated, broke many a huge price target, capitulated down and bottomed, and then slowly started to climb back up, leading into 2021, in which I think 2024, sometime in 2024, that's when we're going to be reaching all-time highs by sometime in 2024. That's my opinion. That's my prediction for the next coming years. But part of 2023, why I compare it to 2020, is that I feel like we're going to have a very unexpected black swan event where Bitcoin capitulates, right? Because I still don't think we bottomed yet. Bitcoin came down 77% at the moment in this bear market, right? Which is a lot. But previous bear markets, we came down even more. I think we came down 84, 82, in the 80s somewhere. So we still have room to come more down for Bitcoin. And it really depends a lot on the economy, right? If the economy is not looking good, which is still not, right? Even though inflation is starting to look like it's coming down, like, to be honest, like, inflation is just, I don't know how they're measuring inflation. I mean, obviously gas is a part of it. But man, if you go to the grocery store, I've been seeing a lot of videos on TikTok too, just people just showing the prices of things lately. And it's just, I don't know how inflation is going down. Like, the prices are all super inflated, right? I mean, there was this video, this guy barely had anything in his cart and it was like over $200 or something, like over $100, right? So prices are just super inflated, and it really is taking a toll on many people, right? Spending. But I am on KuCoin. Okay, you're trading on KuCoin. And said I bought Solana for $34 and now it's down. Like, I don't how many percentages. Now it reminds me when I bought 59 sold for 56 or 57 and it came down to 38. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, man, that's the thing. If you believe in it, then just stake and hold, right? That's the best thing you can do. If you think Solana is going to be successful, that's what I've been doing. I have a little bit of Solana. I just been staking on the ledger, right? If you're going to hold it, you might as well stake it. Same thing with Ethereum, right? What's going to be a great thing about this year is that Link, I think Link is supposed to come out, Chainlink, with staking this year. So when that comes out, you're going to be able to stake Chainlink, which is, in my opinion, a great coin. But let's take a look here on the hourly. Hourly, we're very oversold. And on the 4 hour, we're very overbought. No C1 before. The bank dream you showed could be coming to fruition. Yeah, I remember making that video. I think it was like 3 months ago with the bank dreams, and it was like a couple dreams. It wasn't just one dream, right? But it was crazy how, you know, they were sharing their dream regarding the banks, and basically, like, you know, they were setting up everything in the background, which it kind of feels like right now. Right now, it kind of feels like everything is like setting up in the background. So all they have to do when it's ready is just flip a switch and then boom. Like, it's a whole new financial system, right? With the CBDC and all that. So that's how it feels right now, right? We don't know what's going on. And it feels like there's a bunch of stuff going on in the background for this. But, you know, looking at the things with the CBDC, right, and around the world, the digital dollar, it all feels like it's going that way. And I think it's going to happen this year. I think it's going to be 2023. I think 2023 is the year where it finally, you know, they finally do what they said that they've been wanting to do, which is a reset, right? A financial reset. And it's going to be an interesting year to see what happens. After KDA, Solana is my biggest loss. Really? Wow. And yeah, Cadena too. I remember Cadena. I think you could actually mine Cadena too, right? But yeah, man, I'm sorry. You know, I think my biggest loss was, I don't know, to be honest. I forgot. Because I sold like 90% of my crypto back when Bitcoin was around 45K. But the one that I kept a little bit more was probably XRP. So probably XRP was my biggest loss at the moment. Michael said FDIC doesn't have enough money to insure even 2% of bank holdings. And they are planning on how to quell panic for whatever is coming. Yeah, that's very true, right? And you know, FDIC up to 200K, right? What is it, 200K or 250? And man, so many people have been talking about the bubble to burst is past. I watched a video. I don't know if it was Michael Burry, but I know I watched a big video talking about how the bubble to burst is this passive income bubble where people are just, you know, telling you to just auto invest on autopilot, you know, put your money in on IRA, what else, buy, you know, just put auto buy SPY and get dividends and all these things. And you're talking about how that's like a bubble, right? And they go into detail on how and why it's become such a bubble, and it's gonna burst. But it has connection with the banks as well, right? It's all connected. It's all interconnected. And man, you know, it can really happen anytime, right? What coins are you buying? Visionary said. What coins am I buying? I'll be honest. You know, I'll be honest. I'll tell you guys what coins I'm buying or I'm looking to get. Hey, what's up, Summer Breeze? Thanks for coming to the TikTok live stream. So I'll be honest. So one of the coins that I'm looking to get at least 1,000 of, and I've been telling you guys this before, is Flux. It's this one right here. It's called Flux. It's at 51 cents right now. Okay. Definitely research this coin, Flux. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you to get it or anything. It's just one that I'm looking to get. I'm gonna start accumulating. And I want to get at least 1,000 because that's how much you need to mine more Flux. And basically it's like a decentralized, how can I say it? It's a decentralized computing sharing project, and it's pretty big. And I think once, you know, I think Flux is probably going to be the next biggest mining coin because you can't mine Ethereum anymore. But you know, I did my research and I like Flux, and I'm gonna try to get at least 1,000 because you need at least 1,000 to start mining. Yeah, right here, decentralized cloud infrastructure. So this is the website right here. Decentralized Web3 computation network. This is how much nodes it has right now. And this is, by the way, this is like a, what's it called? This is a what is Bitcoin? What type of crypto is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is like the that you can actually mine, right? It's a proof of work. There you go. It's a proof of work coin. It's a proof of work coin, and the awesome part about this coin is that it's not like, oh, this is upcoming. This is like this is in beta. This is no. It's already like set, and it's already you know, working basically. And it's pretty big. It has a huge community as well. It's not like some really low cap coin and, you know, that you never heard of. But it has a pretty big community on YouTube as well. So definitely take a look into it if you guys never heard of it. Flux. It's 51 cents. I remember back in the bull run, I wanted to get at least 1,000 of this coin. And it cost like $2,000 because I think it was around $2. Now it's at 51 cents. To have at least 1,000, it's $515. So you can see how much it came down, right, along with the rest of the market. So that's one of them, right? Another one here that I'm looking to get more of, to be honest. Algorand. I'm looking to get more Algorand, especially at these levels here. Algorand below 20 cents. And you can see right here, Algorand is one of the coins that took one of the biggest hits this bear market, and I'm gonna try to take advantage of that because I believe in Algorand long term, especially being part of the ISO 20. But if you look at the chart, you can see that Algorand was one of the biggest coins that took a hit this bear market, and it's at currently 18 cents right now. And the same one, XLM. XLM is another one very similar to Algorand that took one of the biggest hits this bear market, coming at 7 cents, right? You can see right here, you know, it's been around 10 cents for a while, around 10 to 9 cents. And then boom, lately it took the hit. Now it's at around 7 cents. So XLM is another one. And again, all these coins, I believe in them long term. That's what I'm probably going to accumulate. And another one here is Chainlink. Chainlink is another one I'm going to be accumulating. I believe in Chainlink long term as well. And I think they're supposed to come out this year with the staking. So Chainlink, it's already like confirmed that they're going to come out with staking for Chainlink. And it's probably going to be this year, because they said it's going to be soon. So Chainlink is going to have staking. It's currently at $5. I think the all-time high was like $55, around there. Take a look here. Chainlink's all-time high. Yeah, $53. $53. So, hey, what's up, Crypto Shady? How you been, Crypto Shady? Hey, Lewis, we meet again. Yes. Let me see here. And yeah, guys, definitely go check out Crypto Shady's channel. This is his channel right here. He makes videos too. Also regarding the wealth transfer. So definitely go check his channel out if you guys still haven't. I'll leave a link here to his channel, Crypto Shady. Thank you for coming to the live stream. But yeah, go watch his videos. Is ADA permanently broke? What do you mean ADA is permanently broke? You mean like is their project broke? I do hold some Cardano as well. And I haven't bought Cardano in a while, to be honest. So Cardano, look, Cardano, I did the measurements here. Cardano down at the moment 92% from its all-time high of $3.10. It's down 92%. That's insane, right? Again, this can go lower. This can go lower, right? So just a thought right there. Cardano down 92%. Hey, what's up, Summer? Hi, new subscriber here. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. Do you think summer will be the good time for crypto or world economic in general? Because Russia raised energy price in winter for Europe. You mean this summer coming up? Flux, interesting. Yeah, definitely check out Flux. Very interesting. And I'm a big fan of it too, because it's proof of work, and it's one that people mine, like with, proof of work, not staking, and that sets it apart from many coins. And another thing is too, like Ethereum, when Ethereum went to proof of stake, right? A big share of the proof of work power, computation power is gonna be moved to Flux. But with your question, I mean, regarding, I think this summer could be bullish for crypto. I do think so, or at least towards the end of 2023, because the honest thing is, right, like the Fed is gonna be lowering rates this year. I mean, they have to, right? Because unless inflation keeps going up like crazy, but it's been showing that it's been going down, the momentum's going down. And another thing too is next year is going to be voting year, right? Next year is going to be president year, election year. So to get prepared for the election year, they're probably going to lower rates and bring down the rates. So I do think that they're probably going to lower rates this year, probably towards the end of the year. Will Cardano come back to $2.50? Or the 50 number? I mean, I don't know. I mean, Cardano, again, like I said, it's hard to tell because it all depends on the project, right? Solana, Cardano, if their project continues to be successful, continue to build, continue to develop, and you know shows strength here, which still hasn't, right? It's just been coming down. This is like a one of the ugliest downtrends here, right? Cardano. Then, you know, if they continue to build, show development, and be innovative, right? Then yeah, Cardano can definitely come back and be one of the surviving coins. If not, then it's gonna die, right? It's gonna depend a lot on the leader, right? Charles Hoskinson, if you believe in him, and just being up to date too. I mean, Cardano does have an amazing community. They have a big community too, so that's something to take, you know, note of. But another one of those is Avalanche, right? Let's take a look here. Avalanche, from its all-time high, 147, it came down to, wow, 92%. The same thing with Cardano. Both Cardano and Avalanche coming down 92% from its all-time high. I just measured it right there. So very, very similar drop right there. You know, now taking a look here at Chainlink, right? Chainlink, from its all-time high of $53, Chainlink coming down 89%. So Chainlink coming down 89% from its all-time high, as you can see right there. Crypto Shady said, "How you been, man? Do you think we have a hit bottom yet, or do you think 10K Bitcoin is looking pretty short?" Yeah, I've been pretty good. I've been pretty good, Crypto Shady. How about you? You know, just been working and doing crypto videos. And yeah, I mean, my opinion regarding that, I think before we come down to 10K, I think we're probably going to have a push up, right? We're probably going to have like a suckers rally where we rally. I wouldn't even be surprised, you know, over, you know, over 21K or even 24 before coming down heavy. But I don't think we bottomed yet, so I think we're coming down. I think we're coming down and making a new bottom. Now regarding 10K, I made a video on this, and I think I actually posted it. Yeah, I posted it on TikTok. But I'm gonna be posting. So basically, all my shorts, videos that I post on TikTok, I'm posting on Instagram and YouTube Shorts now. But basically what I said was that if we do come down, right, we're probably gonna stop right here in around 14,000 or 13,900, and the reason why is the 400 weekly moving average. And this is a very important average. Like, I don't expect this to just come down and break this unless we have like the flash crash, right? Or unless it's like really, really bad event or a black swan event. But if we do come down and we come down to this weekly moving average, we're going to stop right there. And we're going to bounce a little bit right on it. Okay? And that is around 13,900 or 14,000. It could reach up to 14,000 as it's going up slowly. Okay? But yeah, and I mean, if we do break that eventually, we could definitely come down to 10K, right? Because look, let's measure Bitcoin here from its all-time high. Bitcoin still has some room here to come down, because getting it from its all-time high, as you can see, it's came down 77%. 77% from its all-time high, right? And we look here past bear markets, right? We came down 83%, 80%. So there's still room here for Bitcoin to come down even more lower here. And if it comes down here to that 400 weekly MA, right, it would be around exactly 79%. So it'll be basically around 80%. 79, 80, right? But yeah, I'm solid, man. Yeah, like a fake out, then down we go. Yeah, That's what I predict. That's what I predict. I think we're gonna have a fake out. And to be honest, I wouldn't even be surprised if we go over 30K. Like, I could see us having, you know, a big pump. You know, that could take a couple weeks or so. Over 30K or something. I could see something like that happening. And regarding prophecy, there was also a lot of people that prophesied about that. Basically, they were saying, I think Love Is God was one that prophesied on. He saw like a manufactured move up, like Bitcoin going up in this aggressive angle, right? Like going up heavy, and he just felt like this is like weird, like it's going up so fast, and it's just, it doesn't feel right. And he sold, after he sold all of his crypto, and it basically dumped down to like 10K, and then around 10K to 8K, that's when it flash crashed. So, you know, we had people talking about a big fake out to the upside. Now, we don't know what targets, right? I think someone said 30K to 35K range is a big target to watch out for, because they saw that target in their dream. But if we ever reach 10K or 8K, at that price point, that's when you should be ready with your limit orders, right? Because, you know, based on the prophecies that people had, many of them talked about 10K, 12K, 8K being basically a spot where Bitcoin stops for a little bit before having a flash crash. So be prepared if Bitcoin ever reaches those levels, right? And right now, I kind of feel like we've been in between important price points for weeks now, for many weeks, right? We've been in between 10K and 30K, which are critical price points here regarding many of the prophecies. So we just gotta, you know, be vigilant here and watch what Bitcoin does next, which I think we're probably gonna move to the upside. Like, I would be surprised if Bitcoin breaks 15K and we come down here to 14K and, you know, does all that. But again, right, all it takes is one event. All it takes is one really bad event, and that can happen. Thank you guys so much for liking the TikTok live. If you guys know, I'm double live streaming on TikTok and YouTube. If you guys are on YouTube, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And if you guys are on TikTok, follow me on YouTube. I'm active on all those platforms. Let's look here. Yeah. Make chart. And here we can see these are my price targets here. Okay. 18,300. This is a big target right here. And based here, you can see that we're eventually going to come here to this wall. And if we come here, right, and we break this is going to be a big bounce to the upside, right? If you break it, right, you might come up here above 20K again. Now, if you reject it, right, if we reject it, we're probably going to start making a new lower low, right, below 15,300 or so, and keep going down to eventually find this line right here where the 400 weekly is, which could possibly be in February, right? And again, these yellow lines that you guys see here, I'm gonna zoom out here so you can see that they're basically crucial trend lines here. Okay, as you guys can see, in connection with its all-time high, right? We have this one right here, we have this one, and then we have this one. And so once we get around here to, you know, 17,600, 17,800, 18,300, 18,000, that's going to be where Bitcoin is going to probably make a major move to the upside or downside. GT said, keeping an eye on it. On gas, it was down all December. Now it's up 15 cents in my area. That my inflation indicator. Yeah. I think gas is also up here a little bit too. That's true. Because it was down a lot in December, right? But man, like groceries, right? It's just everything is up like crazy. Everything's inflated. And we talked about this before, right? This is what happens when we print money, right? This is what happens when the government prints trillions of dollars. And it really does feel like this was all on purpose, right? Crypto Trader says SHIB is predicted to move 30% up from where it is now towards the end of January. What's your take on that? Yeah, let's take. I haven't done a technical analysis here on Shiba Inu in a while, and there's a lot of big things coming up for SHIB this month. So let's take a look here at the technical analysis. Let's also check here how much SHIB came from its all-time high. Let me change the chart here because this one doesn't show too much history of SHIB. I gotta get one where it shows a longer time frame. This one, perfect. So back in 2021, right? Back in 21, we had this all-time high. I'll put a price here for the all-time high. I'm gonna put it in red because that's when you should sell. There. Okay. But from SHIB here, we came down. Wow. We came down a lot, right? We came down 90. Well, right here we came down 91% back in June. Now we're around 90%. So around 91%. Just say 91. So SHIB coming down 91% from its all-time high. Back 2021 October. Right now, let's do some technical analysis here to see if there's any signs here that shows that SHIB might be looking to lift off, or any hints here. I like to do this one. This is my macro one, and this is gonna be a very big one, right? Getting the all-time high and that. Get this here. This is another very important one right here that it's holding. You can see. And I see another one here, which is this one. Actually. Right, this is a big one right here. So you can see right here, we're coming to a point here in SHIB where it's gonna have to make a decision. Okay, and you can see right here, it's gonna have to make a decision here on whether it breaks out of this wall, right? Where if I zoom out, you can see how important this one is because it connects the all-time high with its previous pump here. Or if it doesn't break out of that wall, we keep tumbling down in this tube, in this range that you can see right here. This is the tube right here. This range, boom, 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 right? We keep tumbling down and we keep making lower lows and lower lows. And this is going to be pretty soon, right? If you look at this, this is I mean, the latest this can go up to is probably February, right? You can see right here. The latest that I can stay in this is February. But you know, but this definitely looks bullish. When I look at this, it definitely looks bullish because most likely we're gonna respect this floor right here because we touched it on it multiple times. There's a lot of buying support here, right? And there's a lot of catalysts coming out for SHIB, especially very soon with Shibarium. I think Shibarium is gonna be the biggest thing coming out for SHIB. Let's just hope that it is ready, right? Let's hope there's no bugs. Let's hope there's no errors with Shibarium. And you know, I'd rather it be delayed a little bit, you know, versus it coming out and being bad, right? Having problems. So when it does come out, it's flawless, you know, it's good to go and it doesn't have any bugs and stuff. Because I think Shibarium is going to be the key to burning more SHIB and being helping SHIB move up in terms of the price. Because it's going to be burning a lot of it, right? It's going to cut a lot of gas fees. And Bone is probably going to also benefit from this. But yeah, I mean, looking at the charts right now, this is definitely bullish in my opinion. Let me make another one here. Let's take a look at this one. This is another important one right here. Right, which is actually where he bought him right there. Hey, what's up, Alan? Sir Lewis is in the house. How you been, Alan? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Let's make a range here too. I see a range here. Right over here. This is actually a critical range here. Wow. Dating back to 2021 here, June 2021. You can see this critical range here for Shibarium. Before, I mean, look, this was just a crazy pump here, right? I mean, look at this. From September 2021, look at this huge pump that it had. Boom. Look at that. Wow. So this is another range here that I just found out that we gotta watch. If it breaks out, it's going into it right now. It's going into this range right now. As you can see, we're going into it. If it breaks out of this range here, right, this is gonna be very bullish. So this is where the battlefield is at right here. Okay, this is where you guys gotta focus right here. Is this right? This. If SHIB can break out of this range and break out of this wall, this is going to be very bullish. Okay? It's going to be very bullish. So that's what I'm watching. I'm going to leave this chart just like this because I want to come back and see how SHIB performs. Right? But look, if it loses this, then it's not going to be good. Right, but yeah, that's my opinion on SHIB. I'll leave this chart here. Where is it? Right here. Perfect. I'll leave the chart like this. Thank you guys on TikTok for all the likes. Let's take a look here at Luna Classic as well. Very interesting because here in Luna Classic you can see once we broke this, right? Well, after you broke this, you can see how we pumped up, right? Look at that. You know, it was perfect too. And then we also have this. actually this. There, that looks perfect. X marks the spot. Yeah, just doing some technical analysis here on Luna Classic. You think a reverse split will help Luna Classic get to $1? And you think the reverse split will happen? How people need to vote on it? Is that the voting proposal that's coming out? Oh, okay. Let me see here, because I didn't see the. Let me check it out here. Let me see if it's on Terra Money. Terra Money. Split. Let me see if it's on Terra. When is the day that you can people can vote on it? You think ETH is bullish? Yeah, I'll take a look at ETH. I'll take a look here at ETH. Maybe it hasn't been put through a proposal yet. Yeah, I'm trying to find it here if there's a proposal for it. But I gotta see here. Do you have any Vault crypto? Yeah, I do have some Vault. I have a little bit of Vault. But I do have some Vault Inu. I think I see here. Let me search it here. I think I found it in this video. So this guy tweeted it. Nicholas. So reverse split Luna Classic 10-1. Most companies on the stock market will split their stock price to make it more affordable and appealing for the everyday buyers. This strategy is purely psychological, as the value of your holding will stay the same, but our circulating supply will go from 6.9 trillion to 690 billion. Your Luna Classic bags will lose a zero, but the price of Luna Classic will, with a circulating supply below 1 trillion, should bring us very close to $1. Reduce supply to 690 billion. This will reduce your Luna Classic bags by 10x. Wouldn't affect your value of holdings, but would be purely psychological. Yeah, I mean, it is psychological, right? It is very psychological. But to be honest, I don't know. I think, you know, what's the purpose of it, right? Why would they do that? You know, if it's just going to be psychological, I don't think just doing that's going to convince people to buy Luna Classic or to think that it's bullish. I think It's mostly the what it actually does, the utility behind it, right? Or the burning, right? Because they can do that, right? But if the burning, the burning rate is still not as good, then I don't think it's gonna be as effective as people think it will be, right? Because it's basically what they said. It's mainly psychological. It's you know Hex better launch before Richard Hart gets arrested. Yeah, what's up with Richard Hart? Definitely update on that us on that, Sniff, because how since when is he getting arrested? Let's take a look here at Ethereum. We'll take a look here at Ethereum. I'm curious. I want to see here Ethereum from its all-time high, right? It came down 81%, but right now it's around 75% from its all-time high. Andrew Tate tweeted to Greta that he has 33 cars. G is the 7th and 33rd letter of the alphabet. Is the 33rd when you run through the alphabet for a second time? Yeah. Yeah, I know that. I saw before, with Top G. I was like, oh, G, right? I wonder if it's all connected. And someone was saying that he looks like the guy that's like the founder of the Satan Church. I think his name is Ante LaVey or whatever. They're saying how he looks exactly like him, like his head and everything. But yeah, is Ethereum bullish? We're gonna find out here. Let's see if Ethereum is bullish. Okay. Well, first, let me draw this very clear downtrend. It's all-time high. I mean, when I look at this, this definitely looks like we're going to the upside. At least till right here, right? At least till right here, 1,300. It definitely looks like we're going to 1,300 Ethereum. But if we do come up here to 1,300, 1,330, 1,320, and we reject this, then we could have a big drop here, right? So right now it looks bullish to at least 1,320. But if we can't break this wall that you're looking at right here, that dates back to its all-time high, you can see right here, this is a very important, wall to break. If we can't break that, then we're coming down, right? We're gonna be coming down. So right now it's entering this range of 1,260. That it needs to break here 1,290, right? After it breaks that, we're definitely going to 1,320. And if it can't break this wall here that you guys are looking at, then that's gonna be bearish for Ethereum. But right now, it does look bullish, right? It looks very bullish. We've been making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and hour we're pretty overbought. I mean oversold on the stochastic RSI, as you can see. So we just gotta get into this range, which we just rejected recently right here. Last past hours we rejected it, and we gotta get into it and then break to the upside. But yeah, I would be careful shorting Ethereum right now. I would wait till it's at least touching this wall right here to short it. Okay, so that's my opinion on Ethereum. What if Andrew Tate runs for president? I don't think he will win. I don't. And president of what? United States? Or some other country? Crypto Trader said, you know, it's funny, Lewis. All those who are hating, sitting on the sidelines are going to miss the greatest gains in history. And it's everyday people like you and me that can profit from it. Yeah, man. That's very true. And, you know, especially now after the new year, you know, there's been many videos, many people critiquing, right? Many people saying so many bad things regarding the wealth transfer. And I get it, right? Like, I get it. There were people that prophesied on dates, you know, giving out dates that didn't come to pass, and you know, this and that. But just because that happens doesn't mean that there's not going to be one, right? And I'm not saying that, you know, all those prophecies are coming true, like the flash crash. I'm not saying that's coming true, because I don't know if they are, right? I can't guarantee that, but you know, I do, you know, I did seek the Lord for confirmation on certain things, and, you know, I got it. So for me, right, it's, you know, I have faith because of that, because I personally seek them. I don't have faith because I watched a video and this guy said that, and I'm putting my faith in his video, right? So I have my own faith, but, you know, for a lot of people that are just critiquing the wealth transfer and all these things, like, first of all, right, a lot of those prophecies, right, they're critiquing people that didn't even give dates, too. Hold up. Like, I had a recent comment, I think it was yesterday, on one of my videos that was sharing a dream, and he was like, you know, critiquing it basically, and I was saying, like, man, you know, this guy didn't give out a date. He was just talking about what he saw in his dream for the future. He didn't give out a date. So I don't know why you're judging him just because we went from 2022 to 2023. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that is very true. And I feel like we're at a moment right now where we're going to see a lot of people come out of the wealth transfer because of the impatience and putting their hopes in the, you know, in people's videos and dreams that didn't come to pass. Right, because we know there were gonna be a lot of false prophecies, right? And they definitely don't affect me, like, because I knew it was gonna happen. Like, I wasn't surprised, so it definitely doesn't affect me as much. But that's very true, man. And you know, we gotta pray for our finances. You know, we gotta pray over our finances and everything. Thanks. I was thinking about the short, but now I think I can wait. Yes. So, yeah, I'll even show you it again here for Ethereum, because, look, this is it right here. Ethereum, be careful shorting right now, right? Because I can see us coming up here to this crucial price point right here, 13,000. Not 13,000, 1,300. Somewhere around 1,300. Okay, is where this wall is going to be at, which I can see Ethereum pushing. Now, could we get a little bit of rejection right here, which I can see if you get this, but not that. That was I gotta get the line right here. which we're actually right now, kinda. Yeah. So you can see right here, we're kind of it right now, right? So most likely we're gonna push up. And if I were gonna short this, I would probably look to short right here. Somewhere right here, 1,320, 1,330, 1,340. Right, this is where I would look to short because I can see us pumping up there. And at least getting some rejection right there for Ethereum. Again, not financial advice, just my opinions. Look at this, Cosmos back at $10. Cosmos has been one of the best coins here during this bear market, performing coins, right? In terms of price, XRP at 34 cents, Dogecoin at 7 cents and 2. Crypto Shady said also Binance didn't delist SHIB, it delisted a pair, which if you pay attention to words, it would make you think Binance delisted SHIB. Oh really? I didn't even see that. I didn't even know that Binance delisted a pair that had SHIB. Not you personally, but you the fearful reader. LOL. Not you personally, but you the fearful reader. Yeah, man. And yeah, another thing too with the wealth transfer too, I gotta make a video on this because this is very crucial, right? Because you know, we know there's a lot of false people out there that are looking from, you know, to get money and all these things. So I gotta make a warning video out there to share regarding the wealth transfer, because you know, one of the things I can see happening, I don't know if it already happened, I don't know if it happened yet, but what I can see happening is people can start prophesying about a coin that you never heard of, low market cap coin that you never heard of, and come out like some story, some dream that, man, like, oh God, show me this coin and it's, you know, super low cap, this and that, and he give out like this, you know, everything that you want to hear, right? That feels good to the ear. And then that coin could be a coin that they or their team made, right? That is like the most scammiest thing like somebody could do. And I could see something like that happening. And I already gave the warning to my group on Telegram. If you guys still haven't yet, join the free Telegram. It's in the pinned comment. Well, not the pinned comment, it's in the description. But I gotta make a video on it because I can see something like that happening. Because it's nowadays it's pretty easy to make a coin. You know, I don't think it's that hard to make a coin. And if, you know, if a bunch of scammers, you know, do make videos out there and prophesying about this random coin just to, so people can buy it and they can earn money, that is like the lowest thing anybody can do. And you know, we got to be aware of that, right? Because people are very gullible. I mean, people would just hear maybe a dream and then just boom, just go buy it right off the bat, right? I shut down Smart Christian's channel because he didn't know anything about SHIB. All he did was push out misinformation. He actually did a whole video on me, LOL. Oh really? Who is that? I never heard of that person. Definitely gotta check his channel out. But what did he say about you? His name is Smart Christian. Wait, so his name? What's his channel? Smart Christian's channel. And what did he say about you? Wait, is it this guy? Is it this channel? Be Smart? Oh, really? And what video did he make a video attacking? Let me see if I could find it. Oh, I think I found it. So 6 months ago. So it's this one, right? So it's this one, right? Yeah. 6 months ago. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. Definitely take a look at it. I've never seen this guy's channel before, to be honest. So yeah, he made a video called "Foolish Christians." LOL. Yeah, man. That's the thing, right? Like, no, it's called "How to Deal with Foolish." Let me see. Oh, okay, I see. So it was this video, right? So this video. Oh wow. So yeah. So you did have it in this video. I'll definitely check it out after the live stream. But wow, I can't believe that happened. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing, right? There's a lot of people coming out now and just, you know, saying a bunch of things, mocking others, and all these things. So I kind of expected this to happen, right? So this year is gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be very interesting to see what happens. But based on my prediction, I made a prediction video regarding 2023, and you guys can watch it after the live stream. But basically said I think there's gonna be a big event, and where Bitcoin capitulates down. That could be the flash crash. I think it will be the flash crash. I think it will be. Or it could be a financial reset, right? So I feel this year is gonna be big. You know, the number 23 is just a number that just speaks to me. Is like, you know, that's something big is gonna happen, and we'll see, right? We can only pray. He made a video because I called him out for attacking Shib, Cam, and the wealth transfer. Oh wow. So he made he did he watch your video? Did he comment on it? Oh, he did? He said, wow. Which video was that? Let me see if I can find it on your channel. So you said which video did you call him out? Okay, I see it right here. Your response, right? Response. So is that video? Yeah, I'll definitely check that one out. I'll check out that video after the live stream. But yeah, I mean, it's crazy, right? Yeah, lol. Yeah, man. Even outside of the wealth transfer, so many people are taking Shib, or not taking Shib seriously, right? People are saying that it's dead, and it's literally in the top. It's literally the second biggest meme coin in the world right now, right? It's literally in the top 20, behind Dogecoin. You know, it's definitely not dead. I think it's gonna be one of the one of the coins that survives, and especially with Shibarium coming out and being successful, that's gonna be major for Shibarium, for Shib. So a lot of people, even people outside the wealth transfer that are into crypto, they hate on Shib, and they think it's a dead coin, as well as Dogecoin. They like to hate on both. But my biggest thing, guys, regarding meme coins and Shib and Doge and a lot of these coins is that just because it doesn't have utility right now doesn't mean that it won't have in the future. Doesn't mean that it won't change in the future. Right? That's what development is all about. Developing is changing for the better. It's changing to have a utility. So that's my thing with Dogecoin, with Shibarium, with Shib, and a lot of coins that don't have utility right now, right? You can't judge these coins if they've been developing, if they've been working in the background, because they can have utility in the future. Someone Camille is a false prophet, and it's got scripture as the thumb note. I hate it because the fact that they don't know about it. Wow. So many people gave up. They will regret it selling Shib when it's too late. Meme is a utility. Not seeing what else could make Bitcoin go up other than a catastrophe. You mean going up? Wouldn't a catastrophe make it go down depending on how bad the event is? It's only 2 years old. Have a look at it. Shib only pumped with hype, but now it's growing. Yeah, it's very true. Yeah, I think Shib is very underrated. Outside of the wealth transfer, because a lot of people hate on it, right? That are just into crypto. I mean, most people out there that are into crypto are looking at Ethereum, or they're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, right? Other coins. And then you have the people that are just obsessed with XRP and ISO, and I hold XRP too, and I'm a big fan of those coins too. But I'm open to Shib, I'm open to Dogecoin, XRP, XLM, Algorand. But man, I'm telling you, like, Shibarium is gonna change everything. That's the biggest catalyst for Shib, is Shibarium, and I'm fine with the delays, because when it comes out, I want it to be flawless. I want it to be perfect, so it doesn't have any errors, so it doesn't have any flaws, and it could be the best that it could possibly be to help Shib burn more tokens, so it could be more efficient, have lower gas fees, right? Bull economy will pump. Doge relies on Elon while Shib seeks utility. Yeah, and that's my thing regarding Doge too. I think Doge, Elon could give Doge utility, right? He could do something where he gives Dogecoin utility in a way. And yeah, like Shib, I think Shib already, when, like I said, when Shibarium comes out, it's gonna have a huge utility with Shibarium, and I think that's gonna be the biggest catalyst ever. And it's big too because it's coming out in the bear market, right? People are the biggest catalyst. Elon will pump Shib. And there's rumors regarding Elon being behind some crypto coins as well, right? Not just Dogecoin. I think there's some rumors regarding him being behind some other coins. I don't know which ones they are, but I don't think it's just Dogecoin. Elon said the way to give Neuralink to people is through the bloodstream. Really? He said that? Wow. I thought they give Neuralink through like surgery or something. Head surgery. Doge Elon? You think so? That's one of the coins I've been looking at too, because it's just kind of weird how Doge Elon just came out of nowhere, and just it's on Gemini, it's on KuCoin. It's just like I never seen some meme coin that fast go on Gemini, right? And it's on there, so who knows, right? Maybe Doge Elon, and it literally has the tag called Elon on it. So paying for SpaceX. Yeah, he said blood is the best method to deliver it to the brain. Wow. That's crazy. I'm at to look that up. I can't believe he said that. Crypto Shady said, I stake my integrity that SHIB is a good project. Me too. I think it is a good project. And I think it's, you know, many people are going to be very surprised once it starts to do well. But again, not financial advice. Definitely research too. Look it up. Elongate. Yeah, I'll definitely look it up. Elongate. But I would not be surprised if Elon is behind any of those other coins. I bet he wants to use graphene to deliver Neuralink, where it will form into a lace netting over the brain. Wow. So it's gonna form into a lace netting over the brain. Space is entirely hoaxed. It says it's funding SpaceX to Mars. Let me check it out here. Elongate. Is this it? EG Elongate? Or is this a different coin? Is it this one? I don't know if it's this coin. Lewis, do you have any Jasmine? Man, I've been thinking of buying some Jasmine, but no, I don't have any Jasmine yet. Do you have any Jasmine? Let me know why it's a good project, because I've been thinking about getting some. Crypto Shady said, fam, you and your live streams are a blessing. It's such a treat to mix in with like-minded people. Hey, Crypto Shady, thank you so much, man. And I'm grateful that you're here in the live stream. And you know, talking about the, you know, that's the whole reason why I started doing live streams. It's just very relaxing, right? Talking about crypto, sharing technical analysis, talking about what's going on in current events and everything. So, you know, I'm grateful for all of you guys that are watching my videos and watching my live streams. You guys are awesome. Just really grateful for all of you guys. You know, especially being with like-minded people, right? That I'm a sub and follow. Hey, thank you so much, Crypto Shady. If you haven't yet, definitely join the Telegram. It's free. It's in the description below. And you know, I'm pretty active in the Telegram. There, we're talking about basically the same thing during the live stream. We're talking about what's going on in the world, the wealth transfer, coins, and all that. So definitely join. GT said, no, but thinking about a 500 moon bag play. You think Jasmine's gonna pump? You think it's gonna do well? I have some Storage, but I know that's Jasmine's totally different. But this is Jasmine right here at 003, right? Let's go to the website right here and check out Jasmine. So it's Japanese, right? It's the Japanese coin. I gotta do more research on Jasmine, because I heard a lot of good things about it too. But yeah, regarding SHIB, I'm gonna keep you guys updated when it does come out or when it's about to come out. Shibarium. I mean, it's gonna be great because the gas fees are gonna be very low. And look, Bone is not even listed on big platforms yet on Coinbase, right? When it comes out, it's probably gonna do really, really well. So I'm probably gonna get some more Bone, because if you think SHIB is gonna do well, then Bone is gonna do well, right? That's the truth. They're both connected, and they're both gonna be connected to the Shibarium system. I just look at May in the future. It gets to like a nickel. I just look at May in the future. It gets to like a nickel. Yeah, that's true. Cause right now it's at. Let's check out here the chart for it. That would be a huge push right there, right? If it goes to a nickel. It used to be 37 cents. Wow. Last time it was 1 penny was this August, right? And then we just kept coming down. But wow, man. I mean, if this goes back to all-time highs, right? That would literally be from below 1 penny to 36 cents, right? That's insane. But look, here's the thing regarding the bear market, right? And all these coins, guys, like, the thing that you guys need to do is what I say all the times. Be up to date with your project. Don't just put your money in anything, right? Don't just put your money in anything that's down heavy, anything is going to go back to all-time high. Because the reality is, like, it may not. It may just go to zero and die off this bear market. That's the reality. So what we got to do is follow their project, get in their community, follow the project, see what's going on, be up to date on all those things, and see if they're innovating and see if they're building, right? Because there are a lot of projects building right now. But it's not just building too. That's what I realized recently too. It's not just building and developing, but it's innovating. It's getting more attention, getting more people into the project, and innovating, right? Being innovated, having a reason to have value to in this world, right? To have utility. So that's my tip regarding all these coins, because research is key here for this bear market. And we've seen before, right? Every bull market, many people became millionaires, right? 2020, many millionaires came from 2020, 2021, 2022, not good, right? 2022, I don't think many millionaires were made as the past previous years, especially 2021. But that just leads to me believe that 2023 or 2024, double the amount of millionaires are going to be made, because 2022 was so bad, right? When the next bull run comes, because the next bull run is probably going to be very epic. Bitcoin going over 100K. And like I said, this could take till 2024, right? It could take till like later into 2024. So right now, I'm actually really grateful. I'm grateful that we're in this time right now. I'm really grateful because prices are literally 90% from their all-time high, right? For certain coins. Everything is super low. And my job right now, what I have to do now is be very aware of what coins I'm going to be putting money into, because that will determine whether you get big in the next bull run, right? It's either you're going to be it's either going to, become a millionaire, or even if you don't become a millionaire, right? Even if you get $500,000, that's a lot, right? So what's going to determine that is what coins. It's literally very simple. What coins you buy. What coins you buy and hold until the next bull run. It's just that simple. And it's simple when you think about it, but the hard part is finding out what coins you think those are. That's the hard part. Because yeah, like I like SHIB, I like Dogecoin, I like XRP, I like all those coins, but I'm looking at other coins too that are underrated out there, right? Like Flux, like Theta, like VRA, and these other coins. And I'm gonna try to stay up to date and see if if they continue to renovate. Jasmine is another one, right? So that's the key to a bear market. And I'm telling you, many people are made rich from bear market, much more than buying during the bull market. So be grateful for these times. We just gotta do the homework. And that's why I created the Discord too. And in the Discord, I'm in many chats here for to be up to date with coins in the crypto HQ section. We have SHIB, we have Doge, MCRT, Floki, XRP, and everybody. We have like specialists. So Doctor and Lawyer, he posts keeps us up to date on XRP. T Money, that was here early, he keeps us up to date on SHIB. So that's the community that I wanted to start. No alts for me till this summer. Just micro DCA into the top 100 projects. Everything else I will lay in heavy. Yeah, great strategy. That's a great strategy. And most of my coins are in the top 100 too, or the top 50. When wealth leaves someone, it doesn't disappear. It transfers to someone else. Yes, exactly. Yeah. It doesn't disappear, right? It doesn't disappear. 80 years ago, people were saying one day I'll be 1,000 in there. Can't believe that was 80 years ago, right? That's crazy. Gigi said, yeah, I was looking back. There was a time in the stock market when it didn't move from 1961 till 1983 or 84, I think. Wow. So the stock market didn't move from that period of time. Can you imagine if we had that in crypto? that would be insane, right? If that happened in crypto where it just didn't move for 5-10 years, like that's insane. But again, the reason why it's not like that in crypto is because of the market cap. And crypto's total market cap, I haven't looked at this in a while, this graph chart, is literally 778 billion. And you might think that's a lot, but it's really not a lot, right? When we came up to 3 trillion. I mean, guys, we literally were 3 trillion back in 2021, right? And now we're literally under 1 trillion, 745 billion. So this is why the crypto markets move so fast. Hey Lewis, hey, what's up, Angela? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How you been? Happy New Year. So what would 3 trillion turn into next bull run? Yeah, let's look at this chart. I do want to look at this chart here. Because so right here we came down 87%, right? If we take that This is very interesting here because I'm hearing the market cap back in 2017, right? 2018. We went from exactly where, wow, wait a second. This is insane, guys. Like, I just realized this right now. We are literally, if you go to the total market cap for crypto right now, we are literally at this exact price. We're literally at the top of 2018. We are at the top of 2018 total market cap. In the top of the bull market back in 2018. Look at this. Do you see this? Look. Look at that. Let me put a range here. This is insane. Is it anyone? Right now, we are literally at the top of 2018. Wow. Yeah. Would be 7 to 9 trillion. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to measure here and try to get an estimated price of what the next bull market would be in terms of market cap. But let's just say here we bottom on the 300, just like we did right here. Look, back in 2020, we bottomed on the 300 weekly on the total market cap. Let's say we do that again, right? That would be a 76% drop here in the market cap. But from that drop, right, we went up from that drop. We went up. Wow. Look at this. This is how much we went up from that drop in 2020. We would go up to, let's just say this is the bottom, right? Because we can still, we would technically fall more to like 700 billion. 16 trillion? What? It's giving me 16 trillion. There's gotta be something wrong here. Because I took the measurement from 2020. Look. This is 2020. Yeah, 2020. Look, 2020 when we had the, you know, the C19 thing, the crypto market cap went to 108 billion. It dropped to 108 billion. I can't even believe it was that low. But look, it went to 108 billion, which was the bottom here for, which was also the bottom for the 2018 bear market, 108 billion or 100 billion. And then it went high as 3 trillion, right? So I took that measurement and I put it here. Just let's pretend that the bottom is, this is around the bottom a little bit right now. It brings me up to 16 trillion. 16 trillion next bull market. So that's kind of crazy. Is it possible? I mean, look, yeah. Depending, you know, if we have a really big bull market, right? We can potentially have 16 trillion next bull market. So imagine how much Bitcoin would be, right? Imagine how much the other cryptos would be that survive. Hey, do you have a big bag of Tezos, Lewis? I have a little bit of Tezos. I don't have a big bag, but I have a little bit of Tezos. But I'm definitely gonna look to get some more. But I am staking it though. How about you? Hey, what's up, Erlon? Do diminishing returns count towards the total crypto market cap, or just no? This is I think this is just I don't know if it counts or not, but this is just the total crypto market cap including Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin and all the other altcoins, but I don't know if diminishing returns count, to be honest. So that was the logarithmic view. Let me look here. That was the logarithmic view. Let me do it here without the logarithmic view, because it could be different. Yeah, and it is different. Okay, so without the logarithmic view, you can see right here the 2020, right? We went to 3 trillion. I just measured it right there. Let's say that this is the bottom. That would bring us up to 3.6 trillion. Right? 3.6 trillion. If this is the bottom, right? Because that's how much I measured here from 2020 going up here to the bull market. Bring us around 3.6 trillion. I was way off then, yikes. I didn't, the first one was in logarithmic. This one is without logarithmic. Let's see here. 86%. And look, in the total market cap to 2018, we fell 87% on the total market cap. 87%. So far this one, we fell 76%. So look, we still got room here to fall, right? We fell 76%, right? 76%, and going down to 80. Let's say we go down to 80%. That would be around 590 billion market cap, right? Maybe 130k Bitcoin at the best, if that is the case. Yeah, that's where I think next bull cycle, Bitcoin will probably be over 100k. Next bull cycle. What's up, man? What's up, Paul? How you been, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thank you guys so much for coming to the live stream. If you guys haven't yet watched my latest video on my prediction for 2023 crypto market, and basically what I say is that I think 2023 is gonna be like 2020, and 2024 is gonna be like 2021. And by that I mean that I believe that 2023 we're gonna get some unexpected event, right? Black Swan event that capitulates Bitcoin and the crypto markets down eventually till we bottom. Well, that capitulates it to bottom like it did in 2020, right? And then it's slowly gonna start growing and growing, just like it did in 2020, as you can see right here, into 2024. And I believe 2024 is gonna be like the 2021, in which that's where the next bull cycle is gonna be, and that's where we're gonna see all-time highs, and probably is gonna be the best time to sell, to be honest. So right now, right, we are at a great time right now, because we're looking at what coins to buy for the next bull cycle, coins to accumulate, right? But I don't think the Bitcoin bottom is set yet. I think we'll probably go lower, probably to around 14k. That's my friend. Do you do TA? Yeah, I do technical analysis. But I don't see 20k cryptos next run though. What do you mean you don't see 20k cryptos next run? What do you mean, GT? Thanks, my friend. Do you do? Oh yeah, yeah. I thought you said that's my friend. My bad. Yeah, anytime, Paul. And yeah, I do technical analysis. I do a lot of videos on it too, but I'll do some technical. I'll show you some right here that I did in the video. on why I believe that we're coming down here to the 400 weekly. In this 400 weekly, I'll tell you, I talk about this all the time. It's very, very important moving average, weekly moving average. Because back here in 2018, right, we bottom on the 200 weekly, which is this top one. Okay, great. We bottomed on the 200 weekly back in 2018. Guess what? We never broke that 200 weekly until 2020. Unexpected event, Black Swan event happens. We break that 200 weekly. And guess where we bottom? Exactly on the 300 weekly. You see that? We bottomed exactly on the 300 weekly, 2020. Well, guess what? Fast forward. This bear market, we don't just break the 200 weekly. We break the 300 weekly for the first time ever. This is the first time ever Bitcoin has broken the 300 weekly in its history. And it didn't just break it, but it rejected it twice when it tried to break over it again. Right here. We try to come back over the 300 weekly. Reject it. Come over here again. Reject it. And right now we're kind of like in between the 300 weekly and the 400 weekly. And my theory is that this is going to be the first time that Bitcoin touches the 400 weekly in its history, like it was the first time that it touched the 300 weekly back in 2020 in its history. And the price of the 400 weekly right now is exactly 13,870. But again, this is a weekly moving average, so it's constantly changing. So as time goes on, it's going to get higher to maybe even eventually 13,900 or 14,000, as you can see right here. Okay. So I'm not saying that's the bottom right there. I'm just saying that if we do come down here, this is going to be a stop. I can see a stopping here, unless it's like a really bad event, right? Depending on how big the event is. But I can see a stopping here at 13,800, 13,900 on this 400 weekly, because it just holds a lot of support, right? I know it's crazy, right? And look, no, I rarely hear people talk about this weekly moving average, but I'm telling you, this is probably the most important week moving average or line in Bitcoin, because you can go back here in time. Let me put in logarithmic. Just go back here in time and you will see the top one, 200 weekly, Bitcoin. Look, even back here in 2015, we bottomed on the 200 weekly. The 200 weekly moving average, we bottomed on it. 2018, we bottom on it twice. We touch it twice. Look how accurate this is. This is why I hate when people say, "Oh, technical analysis doesn't work. Technical analysis makes no sense. This and that." Yes, if you see something like this, look, boom, boom, to the T. Like, there's a reason why it stopped right there, right? And it's all due to technical analysis. There's a reason. It didn't just stop right there for no reason, right? And then right here, 2020. A big reason why we broke this 200 weekly for the first time was, the Black Swan event, right? Which I feel like it's going to be this year. I think there's going to be another Black Swan event to which we capitulate down again to touch the 400 weekly for the first time ever. So, I'll go more into deep on this on my latest video. Definitely check it out. If you guys want to join my Discord group, you guys can join in the Patreon in the pinned comment. But again, I also have a free Telegram if you guys want to join. If you guys haven't yet, join the free Telegram. Paul said, I think of TA like the weather app. It prepares you on what to expect. Yeah, that's a great way to think of it. It's like a weather app. I'll say this. TA, technical analysis, it's very accurate when like everything is still and like nothing huge is going on. But it can't predict you. Technical analysis cannot make you predict a black swan event or a huge event going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, even right here, right? 2020, right? There was nothing here before this drop that told you that, oh, that we were going to have this crazy black swan event, that we will come down like crazy. There was nothing there that predicted this, right? Based on technical analysis. But what I would say is that during the times where we're not having crazy events, which is like most of the time, it's very accurate. It's very accurate at, stopping at certain price points. You can easily see here and how it affects the price using technical analysis. So yeah, that's definitely a great way to point it. But yeah, join the free Telegram, guys, and join the Discord if you guys want to be part of the Discord. But thank you guys so much for tonight's stream. It was a great stream. Appreciate all of you guys coming on here, showing support. We got 14 likes. Thank you guys so much for the 14 likes. And I'll probably live stream again tomorrow. I'll probably upload a video tomorrow. Follow me on, all the platforms I'm active on there as well, on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. But thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful night and day tomorrow. And yeah, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Mija